Hi, do you want to run your MATLAB projects online? Let's start. First go to the search engine and type MATLAB online. Then go to the site matlab.mathworks.com. Click on Start using MATLAB Online. Then click on Sign In option. If you do not have MathWorks account, then click to create one. Give your email account, location and few detail to open your account. I already have the account on this email, so I am going to click on Login button. I am selecting Language here. Now click on Try Now button to use MATLAB Online. Now select your field and click Submit button. Click here to open MATLAB Online, and now your MATLAB is ready to get your code. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe my channel to show your support and love. Thank you.